Okay. So first of all, let's continue the requirement document. Okay. How many people complete this task?
I did some searching, but that's good or not, I don't know.
Okay. No worry. So let's start from the beginning. Okay. So that everyone can understand. Clear, guys? So first of all, we need to create a report. Okay. That report will showing the report name is Superstar Cell. Okay. Superstore Cell analysis by state. Okay. So whenever in any SSIS package, you want to provide the report header. Okay. You can just simple go here. Okay. So here we have a report header, guys. Okay. Even inside the detail, I also mentioned that report title. Okay. So this is a report title. Okay. So we can copy this title, go to our page, and here we can add the report header, guys. Okay. For adding a report header, we can add a text box. Okay, my friend. Inside the text box, we can paste our header, whatever the header we have. Okay, apply some formatting. Increase the font size as per the requirement. Okay, and then adjust the width and height. Okay, and after that, okay, let's format this one. So center align. Okay, so this is a method if you have a report title. Please everyone try this. So whenever you click on the preview, you can get the report header, guys. Let me know once it's done, guys. Now, let's move the next. Okay. Now we need a text box also that's showing execution date time and then it's showing the value equal to now. Okay. So let's go here. Let's add a one more text box, guys. Okay, my friend. In this text box, okay, we need to display the now. Okay. So what we do here, just go here, add a text box property. Okay, my friend. And in the value section, we need to show the current date. Okay. So if you can go here, value, click on the FX. Okay. And here you can find some predefined common function there, guys. Date and time. So here you can find the now one. Now means it's a current time. So you just add it and bracket close and you will get the data. Okay, and here it shows some example also, my friend. This is your time tomorrow and concatenate data at D. Okay, so it show you some example also, guys, where you can use a now. So let's suppose if you want to only show the current date and time, current date, okay, then you can use only now. If you want to continue with some calculation or some value, then you can write this method. Okay. So in our case, okay, our scenario is we need to display this value, execution date and time, and then now. Okay. So we can go with this method here. Okay, guys. And
Raman
here
sir,
in here,
when you click on the text property, where you went after that?
you can have you add the text box?
Yes, I do. I
Then
mean,
right
where,
click. Yeah,
yeah, I
then
got that.
right click
Mm-hmm.
and then go with the property, last option.
Okay.
And then in the screen, there is a value section there.
Okay.
Did you see that?
Yeah, got it.
Then click on the effects because we want to write some calculation.
All right, thank you.
And here it's a 0. I'm sharing this formula so you can paste this formula, guys. And okay. And now run it. Now I can see the date and time, guys. Okay. And now we can adjust the height and width so that it's showing the data correctly. We need one more space. Now it show the data, guys. Okay. So you can adjust the height and width and show the correct data. Done, everyone? And now if you want to apply some formatting there, okay, yes, we have an option here. Just select, okay, and all the option display here, guys. So you can add font size, font type, everything, guys, here. Okay, let me know once everyone done.
Raman sir, mine's not working.
It's showing what? Showing any error?
Uh, if I do a preview, it's showing, this is just blank.
Show me a share a screen, please.
And for us, it's gonna show our time, right? Our
Yes, for
video.
your, it's showing your time. Now means your current time. It's a similar
Okay.
like a get date in SQL Server.
Yeah.
Did you see my screen?
Yes, I can see. Can you click on the expression? Show me the expression first. Perfect. Click OK. Actually, you added a parameter, na? That's why.
So
I
should I
did not
delete
have
it?
value, that's why. Yes, you have a
No, no,
parameter.
because I was working yesterday, so that's why.
No, 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 don't delete, don't delete. We will work one by one.
Oh, okay.
So while adding parameters, that's work, sir. In my case, that's work.
Now it's working because probably I added the parameter. I believe them now it's
Yes, you
working.
have a
Thank you.
parameter and that is waiting for the output. Okay. You're waiting for the parameter output. Okay.
Okay, now it's working. Thank you.
Okay, my friend. Now let's move the next step in the requirement. Okay. Now please everyone create a param filter, guys. The first filter is label is filter by state. Okay. It's a multi-select enabled and date range. Please everyone create.
So that means here we need three parameter for the state.
Yes, we need three parameters. The parameter number
Yeah,
one. Okay, 1 minute. Let me connect my charger.
state.
State, yes, that is a multi-select parameter. Okay. Multi-select
Yeah,
means clear.
yeah, and
And then we
started
have
and
a date.
ended.
Yes, we have a date range filter that contains the start date and end date.
This one multi-select or not?
No, no, no. We can select only one value. Actually, this is a range. So we can select
Yes.
one range. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So do one
That
thing.
means only two parameter, one time range and one is state only. Yeah.
No, but how can you set the start date and end date? This is a three value, na? Two value, na?
Yeah.
So there is a
That
three parameter. Okay.
before parameter, don't we have to do data set?
Yes. That's why I'm just highlighting this one. So you can create the data set like this. I will show you guys. Okay. So these are the fields we want. Okay. So we can say that select order, state, first state guys. Okay. Then sale of sum of sales as total sale. Okay. Sum of profit as total profit. Okay. Order IDs.
It's count or on as we need order ID.
Order ID, no?
No, no, that's we need count or order ID, actual order ID.
No, 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 no. Look at this. The requirement is clearly say that na count of order IDs. No? Did you see the requirement? Here it's
That's when
clearly mentioned that count of order IDs. And now the average order date. So it's a sum of sales divided by okay. Clear my pen? And now group by state. Okay. Now in this query, we have we have a three parameters. So we can write one by one where state equal to at the rate state. Okay. After that, it started and ended. So, and order date greater than or equal to at the rate start date. And remember in the order date, we have our time also. So we can convert as a date. So in that scenario, okay, we can compare only date and date part, no time part. Okay, guys? Or you can write the between function also, between start date or okay, clear? So either you can write this one or you can write this query. I'm giving you both options. Whatever you like, you can use it. Okay, my friend. So this is a one data set. And here, how many parameters we are using, my friend?
We have the 3 parameters.
Yes. So now please do it.
Sir, why we put this convert?
Because, okay, if you see, my friend, order date contain date and time both. True?
Yes, sir.
So because
Oh,
we
yeah,
want to
got it. Yeah,
comparison between date and date part only, na?
yeah, got it.
My query is not working. I don't know why.
Which query? The first one?
Yeah. When
So
I
do
did it
one.
yesterday, it was fine, but today the way you show us is not working. I don't know why.
So basically, in this query will not work because we have a parameter here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this parameter. So do one thing, na? Just comment this parameter
Okay.
and run this query. Okay. Yeah, it works. Because this parameter needed, this query needs some parameter value, no? And you are not providing this parameter. That's why it's not showing. Now copy this query and go back to the SSRS and create a data set. Don't try to check all. Okay, first of all, check this one is working or not. You add the parameter and just check this report showing this value or not. Yes, I'm here. Tell
Just
me.
another quick question about the dates. So we're gonna create data sets for those dates too, like we did in the did for state.
Yes, we need to
Okay.
create a data set. Otherwise, if you choose the calendar, then it allow you to choose any random dates. Huh?
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yes,
And the query that we're gonna use is the max auto date
distinct. No,
or
distinct date. Huh?
the distinct. So could you send us a query, please? Because I think a
It's a
lot of
very
us are
simple.
stuck in that.
Let me show you.
All right.
It's a very simple, guys. Because we need only date partner, no time part.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is, and you can also apply order by, no?
Yeah. So this is the query that we're gonna use for both
Yes,
start date and end date.
yes.
Okay.
Because both are the date, na?
Yep. Yep.
We can't do the max and minimum.
Max and mean return only one value, na? This is a date range. Look at this in the requirement. It's a date range box, na?
Right.
Oh, max and mean showing only one value, na? But what about others value?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. So you put the alias as auto date. So we change that to start date and end date, or we just
Yes.
keep it as is?
So we have to put average order value or no in this matrix, in this matrix.
Sorry, what are you saying?
We have to put a average order value or not?
Yes, yes, we need to put that. It is different data set, no?
Could you stay on that query window, please? Just for a second.